Assalamu alaikum. Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum. Today in this lesson we are going to learn how to make negative sentences, nominal sentence, present verb to be. How to use this one in the sentence. See this one, spoken Arabic. So please remember this conjugation carefully. Let's start. Laisa. Laisa means he is not. Laisa for dual, they are not. Laisa, they are not. Laisu, they are not. Laisat. Laisat means she is not. Laisat, she is not. Laisata, they are not. For dual, laisata, they are not. Lasna, they are not. For plural, lasna, they are not. Lasta. Lasta, you are not. Lastuma for dual, you are not. Lastum. Lastum, you are not. Lasti for female singular, you are not. Lastuma for dual, you are not. Lastuma, you are not. Lastunna. Lastunna, you are not. Lastu. Lastu means I am not. It is used for singular, male and female both. Lasna. Lasna, we are not. It's also used for both male and female, plural. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Keep learning and practicing. Ma'assalama, ila liqa.